This is Councillor Dlamini from Ward 52, Ekurhuleni. Ward 52 is a ward, a very crucial ward that has informal settlements. I've got 2 informal settlements, Nadustra and Mpilisweni, and 4 hostels, Kwama Emadala, Mshazafe, and Kutuza, and a women hostel called Ikhutong. 4 hostels, 2 informal settlements, and a formal settlement. That is a portion of Mkapo, a portion of Mandela, and Mapanga. And Mapanga is not a portion, full Mapanga. Then imagine then, there are people of many different tribes. There are situations now that are happening. We cannot live in a crime in the way. That's the first point. It's crime. So we've got crime that is happening in our areas. In the hostels, they are killing each other. In this informal settlement, people are robbed. We've got an influx of foreign nationals who are now staying in this informal settlement. People who can commit crime and cannot be traced. They are undocumented illegal foreigners. Now we had a situation in our ward, in the site of Natalspruit, where we used to have in Natalspruit Hospital. That does not exist anymore. Into esihleli nayo manje isiganga laphiyana. Kwakune base camp yamasoja ye 10111. Kwakuyi battalion 72 battalion kwabuya kwaba 10111. Today it's a space opened with rubbish, with felt, indawo nje emoshakele, a very big land. While we've got people who don't have houses. There are people who want to start their own business, they don't have spaces. There are people who want to have churches, they don't have a space. Thina sineyindawo in the hospital esingasebenzi lapha emasotsheni, an empty land, but we had a problem of a serial killer in that place. Kwathiwa ngathi kune serial killer because every day we would wake up nomuntu obulewe khona laphiyana. I took upon myself to go there last week and I took 2 videos. The community safety department put at us ama-camera ukuthi si-monitor le indawo because seziya ama-hotspots. First thing that happened in Mandela, i-camera bayitshontshile, bakhipha wonke ama-battery, asena camera. Esibhedlela ngaya ngayo-check-a lapha eNatalspruit Hospital, ihlathi, what I said, ngathi mina i-serial killer izobuya. Makuqala ku-vandalizwa these things esizama ukumonitora ngazo. That means this criminal is back. Yesterday, someone was killed. Next to that, camera khona lapha 72 emasotsheni.
Okay.
So somebody was killed. Ukhanyiwe waze wafa umntana abantu laphiyana esingamazi.
So lama camera akuma street light akulama pole.
Aphakathi ama-camera afakwe i-community safety department. Siyazi la bekokhona kuma-hotspots.
Okay.
So S2 yasemaphanga sokukhishwa ama-battery. That means they want to commit crime on that place. The person who's doing it is very organized and is very connected. But as the community, we are the only one to stop this thing that is happening. We are sick and tired now. We've done everything. We've spoken to the government in every way. Assist us, government, assist us. No, but we're not getting this help. But as community, let the community rise. Let the community stand up and we fight against this thing. Because this is the future of our generations to come. So if Godfrey Zandla says about what is bothering, people talk on social media. They talk on this WhatsApp about these things. These criminals are also inside of these groups. They can hear anything. Indefinitely, it's physical action. I am calling upon the community of Ward 52 to stand up. First thing, we're going to pray. That means we're going to invite God to assist us in this fight. Then after that, we take the fight away to Madi. We're going to fight for our people. If you are afraid, meleteleni thina sizabuya sawubhekana nazo izigebengu sizabulwa nazo singabahlali base Ward 52. Ngibafuna bonke sawufaka amabhoots sifaka ama-combat siyolwa ne-crime.
Umthandazo nizowenza nini baba?
Sizowenza umthandazo. I'm still going to talk to pastors around the area ukuthi sihambeni sothandazela leya ndawo. Sesoyithandazela futhi ukuthi sifuna umhlaba wethu okwathathwa ngabamhlophe siyawufuna ke ngoku nawo. They're talking big English, expropriating of land for public purpose. We must do it in our ward at Ward 52. We are sick and tired because we don't have answers. We're not having someone who can tell us kuzoyenzakalani ngalowo mhlaba uyekeni lowo mhlaba kumele kwenzeke ntoni. No one is communicating with us. Now we must take over as the community of Ward 52. I thank you.